friend, when did you celebrate a small win? Really? Do you remember when was the last time you celebrate a small win? What do you mean, Glenn? Small wins? Small wins. Like even making a simple cup of coffee and it tastes good, finishing a book, those kind of stuff. Yung hindi grandeur, hindi masyadong malaki, hindi masyadong bongga in Tagalog. My friend, you know what? It's so important to celebrate small wins, celebrate small victory, because that's where gratitude starts. You know, recently I realized that once you become so grateful of all the small things, change your perspective in life, it change your mind sa mga bagay na gusto mong mangyari. Sometimes we don't see, my friend, that we are blessed. Sometimes we don't see that we have enough. We always wait for that sign from God, all will be well. But sometimes we forget that it's already happening. It's already in front of us. My friend, it's difficult sometimes. I admit, we as a human being, we want to see the bigger picture, the big stage, the big wins. Yung may mga balloons, may mga champagne, mga ganun ba? Yung may mga malalaking bagay na parang sinasabi natin sa sarili natin na we haven't arrived yet, diba? Mga luxurious things, kotse, bag sa mga babae, diba? Sa mga guys, watches, yung mga ganon. You know where I'm going through with this? Because we are having this real talk, and I hope and pray that by the end of it, you, me, both of us, very much encouraged. So, what should we do for us to be able to see all those small wins? Let's open our eyes, my friend, in our heart. Most of the time nga, like what I said, no, nasa harap na natin, hindi pa natin nakikita. Minsan may nangyayari na naghahanap pa tayo na wala tayo. Recently, you know, I've been focusing a lot on those stuff, to be honest with you, na parang, bakit ganon, you know, I have something like this, and then all of a sudden, something happened, there's an accident, yung mga ganon ba? And I dwell on those. But I realize na the more that you dwell on those things, the more it will consume you, my friend. Ang hirap, parang nauubos ka, na parang, yung alam mo yung parang kang nangihina, and your mind is playing tricks on you, the devil play tricks on you, and you know what to do, but you can't just get out of it. That kind of feeling. My friend, you know, I tend to agree on what says in the Bible, that, you know, we have to be really be grateful, that we have to celebrate everything that happens to us, because it's the will of God. It's the Lord's will for us. So, focus tayo doon, kaibigan, and I hope and pray that this week will be an awesome week for you, an awesome, victorious, blessed, safe, and most of all, my friend, peace and joy. Diba? Yun naman ang hinahanap natin sa buhay. So I challenge you na let's, you know, look at these small things. I-post mo sa social media, comment, share this message, subscribe, yung bang mga gano'n. Recently, you know, sabi ko nga, what is the small wins? Pag kinlasify mo, no, ang dami pala. And yung makatapos ka lang ng sa trabaho, no, kahit na mahirap, natapos mo isang araw, small wins, victory na yun. Yung like what I said, you know, nakapagluto ka, nakauwi ka ng safe, mga ganun ba, nakakain ka, yan, nakainom ka ng tubig, small wins, pero it means a lot. Sometimes in the small stuff, that's where we missed out, because we tend to look at other stuff that is beyond what we can see and what we have, and most of the time it hurts us, my friend. It hurts our mind, our body. Tinatamad tayo, ayaw natin gumala, nalulungkot tayo, my friend. Ang linis na ng mata natin, you know, so much tears, so much luha na ang bumagsak sa, you know, sa aking mata. Mga bagay na, you know, how I wish, how I pray na ganito mangyari, pero hindi. Life is not like that, my friend. Sabi nga ni Forrest Gump, diba? Life is like a box of chocolate. So, anyway, my friend, I hope na-encourage kita, kasi ako na-encourage mo by tuning in, by, you know, watching this video. And it means a lot, and your time means a lot. So, you take care, my friend. Stay peaceful, stay loving. The best is yet to come, ha? Tandaan natin yun, the best is yet to come. So, peace. Bye!